Let mommy I wonder what we need for. We are on my side, and you that change the people. But that's how it goes. When you reach what it's so. And this is what I know. It's so much better than ever. I'm here, going to be here. Permanently Luxembourg and try to come to Germany just to support DJ Dennis thing. And then I think that promote DJ, you know what I mean? Every people know that giving up is not an option. That's the answer right here. What's the answer over there?
My Savior.
Every day I look good. I want to see what they're going to come over here. No one is going to keep me. We are only friends, but I'm silent from that's why I'm here for. I don't know what to Germany, I'm here for. I know it's fine. So I'm here for. Germany, I'm here for. I'm here for. I know the German. Let me tell you. And I get on you, they push me outside, want to run. They cannot criticize, want to victimize, but they can't rejoice. Because now every mama's crying, oh, kill man, they must testify. I'm going to my best, I will do the best, I will care. Yes, protect my freedom and charity. I will give it every return. When we are fit on the lead, DJ Dennis, make you put it on goodbye. How's that? Now give up. I know German, good night, love you. That's it, I'm going to do.
All right. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it rolling.